let's center you. So I poured some clear resin over this. Oh, anyway, let me try that again. Welcome back to the studio. This is part 2 of my floral tray. I've already poured some clear resin about an hour and a bit ago, and I thought it was a bit busy, not busy, too much black background, so I wanted to add some little goodies to the background just to make it even more busy. And here we go. I could just do it with my bare hands at this moment, and they will, oh, maybe not. Jeez, I just stuck my finger in there. Anyway, let's go. Just gonna go, if you just wet your finger and go like that, it's cool. I'm just gonna go wherever, you know. It doesn't really matter, so I'm just wetting my finger with this alcohol wipe a little bit and just, oh, are you serious? Wrong way around, buddy. Let's flip you over. Lucky this is just clear resin, so then I'm just going to go like that, and I am just going to go around and plonk these. Are you for fucking real? Anyway, to save you from listening to my swearing, I'm just going to mute this and speed it up. Golly. And now what I'm doing is I've just got my skewer here, and I'm dipping my skewer into this resin and then into my silver powder here, and I'm just going to recreate these petals. You can double dip in the powder because the powder will just coat your brush and it won't leave any resin in there. You can't do it in the actual paste because you'll ruin your paste for sure. So that's all I'm doing, and I am just balancing this out a little bit with that frame, which is silver. There we go, look at that, isn't that good? Some of it coming off. I use that opportunity straight away to sprinkle it around everywhere. But I think I'm going to use this side now. Dip it in here a little bit. I don't think I want to do any more of that silver unless maybe sprinkle some just everywhere a little bit. Now this is the aluminium powder, or aluminum as you say in America, just to give it that extra, and then it will need another coat of resin over the top of it. So now I can see a lot of similar colors that is popping out, but that's pretty cool because I've got all this other silvery stuff, so the frame doesn't look so odd anymore. To me anyway. You can tell me what you think, and please, you be brutally honest. It does look very busy, but I like it. Kind of like what my life is right now, which is always something that I talk about is, you know, representational intuitive art. It's just like whatever is comes out onto your canvas. But look at that. How amazeballs is that? Seriously, look at that. Look out for these flakes. They're going to be coming into the studio soon. So I reckon I'm going to leave this as is now. And then in a few hours, when this is almost set, I might just pour another coat of resin over the top of it. And I might actually raise these a little bit more, because I don't want to lose that sort of volume there once I pour more resin over the top of it. I want it to be like a little mountain of these little shards. They look kind of special. There. Maybe a bit more. Okay. And that is it, my friends. I will see you tomorrow when this is all... What on earth happened there? Seriously, like what happened there? Did anybody see that? Jeez, I'm going to have to watch this video, see what I did. But anyway, I'm trying to fish it out now. And put it here. Yep. Get off. There we go. Clean all of my utensils and all my little tools straight away. Right, that is that, my friends. I will see you soon, very soon. Bye for now. Okay, so here it is, my friends. I really like it. I know it looks busy, but it just looks like a real floral garden, and like a field with lots and lots of flowers in it. And I do like the raised glass flakes in the middle of the flowers there and all around. I really like it, and I think it really complements that. Yes, look at that shimmer. This is out in the sunlight. It's really sparkly and lovely. So I do like it. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Obviously this looks like a tray, but it's not going to be a tray. It's just going to be a painting on the wall. Thanks for watching. Bye.